Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you're here. My name is Joey Bujold, and this is a course on Muhūrta, the ancient Vedic science of timing. It's not just about the what, it's also about the when. When to act, when to begin, when to align yourself with time itself. You're about to learn to work with time in a way that's intentional, spiritually grounded, and practically effective, without superstition and without all of the other fluff. This is level 1 of this course, and it's completely free. It's meant to give you a strong foundation in the core principles. What Muhūrta is, when you should use it, and how you should use it, how to choose the best days, the Vara of the week, and also the planetary hours, how to use modern Vedic astrology software to help find auspicious times. You'll also learn what to look for and what to avoid when you're using these tools. So there isn't a course on the market that's like this. Most resources today on Muhūrta are either overly simplified, missing traditional grounding, or way too complex for beginners. This course is rooted in tradition, some of the knowledge that's been passed on to me by my teachers, but it's designed to be accessible to sincere students who want to learn how timing actually works and how to apply it with real life events with clarity and integrity. So let's talk about prerequisites for this course. So I designed this course without any formal prerequisites, but you should have a basic understanding of some key Vedic astrology concepts like the ascendant or lagna, the houses, and the moon. You should have an open mind and a willingness to learn with both logic and devotion, and ideally have some type of spiritual motivation, wanting to align your actions with dharma and the right divine cosmic timing. If you're completely new to Jyotish, don't worry. I like to keep things practical. I'll be pointing you to additional resources if you want to go deeper. And this is just going to be the first foundational part in a series of online course offerings. I'll be adding more content in the future. So level 2 through level 4 is what I currently have roadmapped, where we'll go deeper into the Panchanga, the 5 elements of the Indian calendar. We'll be talking about Shuddha Chandra, which is keeping an unblemished moon in your Muhurtas. We'll be talking about Navamsha considerations, different types of yogas, karakas, and how to handle conflicting factors in a Muhurta. But for now, let's start here. I urge you to go step by step and take some notes. This course will be permanently available to you, so pause when you need to, rewatch it when you need a refresher. So whether you're a student of astrology or a practitioner or just someone looking to live more consciously, this course is here to support you. In life, we don't always get to choose what happens, but when we choose to act wisely, and we use our free will and we put our full attention and intention onto something, we give our efforts for the best possible result. So without any further ado, let's dive in.